Okay, I'm going to show you something I just did, and this is a real thick piece of plastic. It's hard to see how thick it is, but it is real thick. And what I did is I cut a piece to fit this card table, and that way it'll give me a larger palette to work on for these two big canvases. And it may look kind of funny, but I kind of tightened it and duct taped it around to the legs of the table on all four sides, as you see, to pull it as tight as I could so I'd have as smooth a surface. Even though it is wrinkled, it's been folded, but it's going to give me a lot larger palette area, and that way I can mix a bunch of paints that are ready to go for these two canvases, and I can even peel it off when it's dry. So this type of palette can work really good if you've got a card table or something that you can put this real thick plastic on. And as you can tell, it has the spots that you can see that were on the card table already. That's okay. This is just an old card table that I've been using to paint with, and it will continue to act as a painting table. So I just wanted to show you what I did with that card table with the thick plastic and some duct tape to make for a larger palette area. And I'll probably still use this table here to put one of my palettes on that I have the lid for everything, but my main palette area for these two big canvases will be this card table. I just wanted to show that to you. Thank you. See you on the next one.